Okay, just a quick last video here from me, and then I want you to go on and look at some examples. There are several evidence-based alternatives to the traditional court system and incarceration. The main ones for civil cases and for some smaller criminal cases fall under dispute resolution. So in the next link, I've given you just a really short, it's 2 minutes, a really short video explaining two different types of dispute resolution, mediation and arbitration. I think the video is 2 minutes and 25 seconds, something like that. You can stop at 2 minutes and 10 seconds. The very end of it is just an ad for the company that put the video together. Okay, then there are also some very good options for victims of crime that are often more effective than the traditional system. But we all know, like, how often are victims given the choice, especially when they start with the legal system, with law enforcement and go through the courts. How often does the court say, or the DA or prosecuting attorneys say, wait a second, would you like to try this alternative? It's not very often. They have to seek it out, basically. So when we look at a criminal case, when the state becomes the victim, it is very rare for them to step in and say, there is this other option called victim offender dialogue, and that's something you can consider instead of going through us. It is becoming a little bit more common as restorative justice becomes a bigger deal, but we'll talk more about that next week. So for now, knowing this isn't offered up all the time, still, I want you to watch the second video example I've provided there, which is on victim offender dialogue. So you can see an example of that. Then again, next week, we're going to talk more about what other options there are, what victims actually say they really want, and how we can help.